Hi everyone, welcome back. So if you ever tried to lock a PDF with a password, you probably ended up searching for some random online tool, right? But here's the thing, most of those websites either limit file size, ask for your email, or worse, you're probably uploading your documents to who knows where. Not ideal. That's exactly why I stopped using those and switched to a proper offline tool. In this video, I'll show you how to password protect your PDF safely and easily using Systweak PDF editor. No internet required, no risk, and super beginner friendly. Let's jump in. You can download and install this Systweak PDF editor from the link given in the description. Once it's installed, open the app, then open the PDF file you want to protect by clicking Open PDF. After that, head over to the Secure tab and select Protect. Enter your chosen password and confirm it, making sure it's strong and secure. Finally, click Protect PDF and your PDF will be saved automatically. That's it, super simple. Also, once you forget the password, there is no way to open the PDF. So it's better to remember the password or write it down somewhere safe. Now let me show you how it works. I'll open up the protected PDF and as you can see, it's asking for a password to access the document. I'll go ahead and enter the password. And there it is. Your PDF is now fully secured. Found this useful? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy how-tos and tap the bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for tuning in.